Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, today we are studying chapter control and coordination, and in that we are studying topic PNS. Now PNS is also called as peripheral nervous system. Yes, it's the part of the nervous system. So let's study about it today. We all know that a nervous system is divided into two different sections. The first one is central nervous system, which is CNS, that basically consists of your brain and spinal cord and the nerves which are present inside them. And the next major part is PNS, which is peripheral nervous system. Now peripheral nervous system basically has the nerves associated, or the nerves that come out eventually from your brain and spinal cord and that go to different regions of your body. So something that comes out and goes outside your body is your peripheral nervous system. Because the nerves go to the different peripheries of the body, the name has been derived. Peripheral nervous system, if we observe, contain nerve fibers that basically arise from your brain, or you simply say it from the hypothalamus, mesencephalon, diencephalon, any one of these regions, and the spinal cord. Now from the spinal cord, it could arise from any one of the vertebrae. This consists of nerves which could be myelinated or sometimes non-myelinated also. Now myelin sheath in axons are very important, especially during the transverse of impulse. Example of nerves that are present in PNS or peripheral nervous system are your sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Now if I talk about sensory, any nerve present in your eyes, skin, nose, which are sensory parts of your body, are called as sensory nerves. Motor nerves are the ones that are associated to your hands or muscles, basically the muscular region. And if I talk about mixed nerves are the ones which are also called as relay nerves. Now this relay nerves or mixed nerves are just between your sensory and your motor nerves. They carry information between your sensory and your motor nerves. They only are a parcel kind of nerve that pass information from one place to another place. Your PNS is further divided into ANS, that is autonomic nervous system. Now autonomic nervous system further gets divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. ANS basically is autonomic nervous system, which gets activated if you have flight or fight reaction, especially anger, sorrow, etc. And just cooling or evacuating that process is primarily dependent on the sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system of ANS. So students, this was PNS, peripheral nervous system, an important component of nervous system. I hope you all are very clear with this concept. Thank you.